Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm Katie. Nice to meet you. Today I'm vlogging. This is my first video back on my YouTube channel. I haven't seen you guys in a few months. I am getting ready for the day right now. I don't really need to get ready. It's been months. I have a lot that I want to talk to you guys about, and I am excited to be coming back to YouTube, and I'm excited to be talking to you guys, and I'm excited to tell y'all about all the new stuff going on with me because there's a lot. I kind of feel like a different person. Like I kind of need to re-amp again. I'm not a different person, I'm still me. Okay, let's start with this. I'm 25 now. Since last time I saw you guys, I've had a birthday and I've turned 25. My last video, which I will have linked below, where I was talking about how I wasn't gonna be able to make videos for a while for what was going on with work and stuff. I just want to talk about like working at the grocery store through the, like, I'm not gonna go into huge detail, but I want to talk about it because I feel like I learned a lot. I feel like as far as work goes, it was an amazing experience and an emotional roller coaster at the same time, and it's not over with, but there were days that I came home and I was like, wow, today was amazing. Like as a team, as a store, we did awesome. Like I can't believe we did this. And then there were days where people were just pounding us for stuff that wasn't our fault, and I came home crying. Like I had people tell me that I deserved to be fired because of stuff that I was running out of. Like, there's nothing I can do. If the plant closes down because of something going on in the world, like, what do you want me to do? Call them and tell them, like, no, please, ship me the virus. I want it, please. No! So, there were days that were really hard, and there were days that were really good, but I feel like we came together as a team, at least at my work. We were already a family from seeing each other every day, but we became like a real family. Like we were beat up together. We had all of our highs together. We had all of our lows together. Like we were screamed at together. We had to bond. We were eating 3 meals a day together on some days. I feel grateful, but at the same time, like I always try to believe the best about the public, and something like this makes it really hard. I still do, and I still want to, but it's just like, it's hard when you see stuff, you know? But yeah, that's what it was like, or that's what it is like working at the grocery store through. Some days are fun, some days are a blast, and some days, yeah, it's very, very emotionally taxing. So there's that. What else? What else? I'm moving. I'm just gonna pop that one out there. That's kind of what this vlog is actually gonna be about. I wanna start packing. Well, I've started packing some things, but I wanna like really start packing. So we bought a house, or we're buying a house. We are under contract for a house. We will be moving soon, within like a month, maybe 2. And I want to go in and paint and fix some things, so I just don't want to be rushing. So anything that is not a necessity, I'm trying to already have packed up, so when it comes time, like we can just slowly move, if that makes sense. Like I want to paint first before we even move anything in, but then I don't want to like be painting there and be like, oh no, I have to pack up all the stuff at my house. Because that just won't be fun, and I'll be a ball of stress. So anything that we don't need, I'm trying to pack up. So like random crap in the kitchen. Our bedroom, like, it should be pretty easy. And then I haven't done anything in the bathroom yet. So what I really need to focus on is my room and the bathroom. But I really want to clean this room out. I want to start basically over. Like my new room in my new house, like I want it to really be me. This is our house, so we can paint and I can like really decorate the walls the way I want. So I like really want to start over and take my new room slow and really build like my dream room, because this is our house. Who knows how long we're gonna be there. Then it'll be easy. After we paint, I can just start moving the boxes. I think I'm gonna try and take a week off work if I can. And then we can just like get moved in and settled. I'm so excited to show you guys our house. I am just gonna finish getting ready now that I've got you guys all caught up on my life and my shenanigans, and then we are gonna start cleaning out this room and packing. Normally I would do like 10 coats of mascara, but I'm going for a natural look, so I'm only gonna do like 5. Okay, so now I'm ready for the day. I don't have anywhere to go, but I'm ready to go there. I'm just gonna make my scrunchie match my shirt. Okay guys, time to start packing and cleaning. Okay, so first thing first to organizing or cleaning is I changed my coffee to wine. The wine I'm drinking is the Barefoot Moscato Apple. There's also a strawberry and a peach. These are delicious. The apple and the peach are definitely my favorite. I thought the strawberry would be because, I mean, strawberry wine.
17, hot July moon.
Saw everything. First taste of love. Oh, bittersweet. But no, the apple and the peach are my favorite. So yeah, step 1 complete. Now I think I have to start by cleaning. So I'm just gonna clean, and I'm gonna throw away anything I don't use in this big old box that I have. I got this big old box here from when I ordered some clothes that I did not get to show you guys because, well, I needed to wear them. I'm wearing one shirt now, as we all saw earlier, but yeah. So I'm just gonna throw my trash in here. I'm gonna turn on some music and get going. Do not pay for Spotify, I have ads. Okay, so I feel like I've made a pretty decent amount of progress. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is where all my Disney princess makeup collection stuff was, and my shelf. I have obviously taken that down. I have pretty much cleared off this desk. This is stuff that I organized to take to Goodwill last time I cleaned my room, and yeah, I don't like leaving the house. We've talked about that before. And then this right here is like camera equipment, and then I pretty much emptied the desk. I cleaned out the top of my closet Y'all are gonna think this is funny, but we're in a so this other room like is our spare room and my room. So our printer, like my hair stuff, paper, books is all in there. On my shelf and decorations, trash, Disney princess. So yeah, I'm really emptying that out and emptying that out. Over there looks pretty empty too. This I can just tape closed. All this I'll just stick in a box. These are clothes that I still want to sell, my shoes, and then my clothes. I'm just going to move my clothes in trash bags. I'm not going to start packing them all up yet because the weather's being crazy and I don't know what I'm going to need. So I'm not going to pack any of that up until we're actually ready to like move houses, and then I'm literally just going to like take it from here to my new closet. So yeah, all I really have left is this stuff in my floor. So this I feel like is basically packed. This is my old lighting equipment. I'm just gonna hang on to it just in case. I think it's nice to have backups. Trash, an empty bag, headphones, my straightener, just some stuff I don't want to pack up yet. Here, obviously my tripod, my lighting. I'm starting YouTube back up. I can't pack that stuff up right now. And then I need to clean up my boxes, put my slippers away, you know, just clean. Just a basic clean of my room, but I've pretty much got a good amount of packing done. So I'm just gonna keep going. Okay guys, well that is it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps support my channel. If you would like to keep seeing me, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the little notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload, which will be every Saturday morning and every Tuesday afternoon, because now that I am back, I am also back on my routine. I do have a lot more moving vlogs coming your way, and I'm so excited. And I'm excited for y'all to go on this new adventure with me. So stay tuned. And bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.